Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to a new tutorial from Monkey Games. So this is Mano and let's continue working. So today we will make the boots and the gloves. Um, Last tutorial, okay, I told you how to customize your shelves, okay, and your UI. Okay, are you ready? Let's do this. So the first thing we are going to do, we need a geometry to make the boots. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, turn on the poly groups. Okay, then press Ctrl Shift, okay, and click here on the brush, okay, and choose a slice curve. All right, but before we do that, I'm sorry, I forgot. Let's duplicate our model. Okay, so I'm selecting the subtool, the body. Okay, duplicate. Okay, and here's the new one. Now press Ctrl Shift and separate the subtool. All right, now Ctrl Shift again, click on your model and hide everything. So we hid the body geometry. Okay, what we're going to do, press V in my case, split hidden. Okay, you can find it under split here. Okay, split hidden. Okay, now it will separate the feet from the body. All right, so this one we already cut, we don't need, so let me show you. Okay, if we drag, so this model without the legs, so what we are going to do, we don't need it anymore, so I will go ahead and delete it. Okay, now let's work with these new geometry. What I like to do, okay, I like to work only on one side, so I will duplicate it later. So let's say split to parts. All right, okay, always okay, please. Okay, and delete the one we don't need. All right, so here we have this one. Now what we are going to do, we want to remesh it. So V and remesh, or you can find it under geometry. Okay, Z remesher, remesh. So what I want to do, I want to remesh like this. Remesh. Okay, can't does not contain polygons. Oh, right. So let's go back to Dynamesh. Now it's contain polygons. Okay, all right. And let's remesh it right now. Remesh. Mesh does not contain polygons on the major symmetrical side. I don't want symmetry, boy. Boy, what are you doing? All right, so turn off your symmetry. Okay, now it's remeshed. Go to your subtool and duplicate it again, because we need to take pieces from it to make the boots, right? So duplicate, okay, and let's take the down, hides, split it in, V, split it in here. Okay, and let's delete this one, we don't need it anymore. Right, delete, and let's hide this one, and we will work on this. All right, so click or press Ctrl Shift again. Okay, and what do we need to do, we have to clean it first. Okay, so turn on your poly groups, click on your model. Okay, let's choose the ZModeler. Okay, or click on brush, so let me show you. Brush, ZModeler here, okay, in my case shortcut 7, okay, and let's get rid of these faces. So hover over your model. When you hover over it, okay, the white one is the segment. Okay, if you press space, you will get the segment options. Okay, if you hover over the polygon or the face and press space, it will give you the space options. Okay, and the same thing over the vertex. Okay, if you press space, it will give you the vertex options. All right, so let's go and hover over the polygon or the face, press space, and we want to delete single poly. So delete single poly, right? And let's click on these polygons that we don't need and delete them without doing anything wrong. Is a little bit difficult. So when I click on this, when I hover over the segment, okay, the ZBrush will insert a poly loop. Okay, why? Because I have my segment option. Okay, insert a single edge loop. Okay, but we don't want to do that, so we will tell it to do nothing, at least for now. All right, so let's go ahead and delete everything that we don't need. Boy, delete. No, don't delete that one. It's alright if it was deleted. Alrighty. Okay, and let's now, okay, make it the same surface. So let's go to move, press F if you're lost. Okay, unlock this one. Okay, move your axis here. Okay, and lock it again. Now you will control your model. Okay, and in this case, what I do, I will flatten this model up. Alrighty. Okay, turn on your model again, and let's do this. So now we have to remesh it because we need it to be loop. All right. Okay, let me do this. So V Z remesher one more time. It looks fine, but we need less geometry. Okay, so turn off adapt and press half and remesh again and again. All right, this one looks fine. All right, that's fine, so I'll take it. All right, so let's go back to draw. Choose your move brush. Okay, and let's give it the shoes shape. That's too much. All right. So yeah, when you're working on this stage, make sure that everything looks good or looks correct before you move on to another pieces. It's very important that everything looks nice and neat before you continue working on your model. All right, let's make it bigger. So basically the spacesuits or the boots for the spacesuit are big, but this is a video game, so we want to make it stylish. We don't care about the science behind it, right? I don't care. Maybe you do. In your case, feel free to do whatever you want. All right. So far, so good. Alrighty. And here, this one a little bit. Let's make the draw size little bit smaller. So in Maya, the way I used to work, okay, I'll make these pieces in Maya, and I will simply use Go Z, and it will directly send as geometry to your Zbrush. Okay, but in Maya 2019 they don't have that feature anymore, so you have to do everything in Zbrush or export as an OBJ, and it's tedious. Anyway, now let's extrude this part. Okay, first face. And what you want to do, you need to extrude, okay, single poly. If you kept the single poly, okay, it will extrude only one poly. We don't need that. We need to extrude everything. So extrude all polygons, and now it's extruded. Alrighty. Okay, so let's extrude the heel. Okay, with the heel. So what I do in this case, I press Alt first, okay, and select the faces that I want to extrude. Okay, before I remove my index finger from the left mouse button, okay, I'll click my finger. I'm still clicking. Okay, now I'm changing the poly group, okay, by pressing on the Alt. Okay, and let's say the yellow looks fine. Okay, release your mouse. Okay, so we want to extrude this one, or let's extrude them together. All right, so let's select the front part too. Press Alt, select all of these faces before. All right, sounds fine. Just release the Alt, then release your mouse click, and let's extrude. So now we want to extrude the poly groups. All right, so press space, poly groups all. All right, sounds legit. Yeah. Alrighty. All right. Now
the polygons are extruded. What we have to do next is we want to give it some details. So let's go to this one, and we want to insert. Okay, insert each poly, insert region. Okay, all polygons. No. Polygroups. Where is my polygroup? That could do it, but no, we need polygroup, not all. This one? Jeez. Alright, so I have a different solution for this one. This is the same. Press Alt, click all of your faces that you want to insert. In Maya, it's and give it a unique polygroup. Then click on the face. Jesus, I forgot. I had no idea. Insert region. Each border, no, region. I feel stupid, but anyway, let's keep trying. Alright, that's it. Thank you, finally, thank you. So what I did, it was polygroup all after I gave it a unique polygroup. Now we want to extrude this one again. So go to extrude, polygroup, one side only. Alright, sounds legit. Alright. So now we have our Swiss piece. Okay, but we have to give it a shape. So let's click enter. Select all of these pieces. W. Okay, push it down like this. Alright. So now they are not equal. What I do in this case, I press Ctrl and Shift, okay, and use the clip curve. Okay, and remove the selection. Now I have those pieces at the same level. Alright. Now if we smooth or smooth preview by pressing D, okay, always yes, okay, we will lose our borders or the sharp edges that we made. In this case, what you should do is, okay, remove Shift key, okay, and we want those borders, so hover over your segment, press space, and let's say bevel. Okay, now give it more resolution on the borders. This one's fine, and one more here. And the sides, okay. Alright, now press D. Now let's go back to the foot. They are sharp and nice. You remove brush, make the size bigger, okay, and let's make a shoes shape. Alright, so drag it. But on this stage now, it's totally up to you. The more details you give your model, the more realistic it will be. And don't skip any step. Don't be lazy like I am. So let's turn on the solo mode. Okay, in this solo. Okay. Wait a moment. Let's turn off the visibility on the other models. It'll be easier. Then go back to your shoes and continue sculpting.
Now I'm using the mouse, but I feel more comfortable using my pen tablet. But I'm also using Wacom Cintiq, which I do think it is a piece of garbage. It's not recommended. Any alternative is much better than this one. It's overpriced and it is bad in my own opinion.
Let's go to inflate brush, so inflate, alright, and let's make the shoes bigger from here, more, give me more. Alright, looks like a little bit like a military shoes. That's the look I'm looking for. Now let's go back to our move. Jesus. Okay, now let's go back to our move brush and let's continue adjusting that shape. No. Let's make the throw size smaller. Looks fine here. Let's push it to the back. And I found a problem. And we will fix it. I will fix it. And you're just gonna watch me fixing it. Anyway, let's turn on the visibility on this one. Make the draw size bigger. And we need this piece to be covered with the shoes. Drag it up. Alright. So now the basic shape of the boot is almost done. Let's go ahead and remesh it. Just because. Basically we don't need to remesh it, but I like to... Okay. So this is that shoes shape. Looks fine. Alright. So I am going for the pilot boots looks. Alright, not bad. Let's do this. Okay, so next, while we are still working on this, let's go back to this one, adjust it a little bit, make your draw size bigger. And the problem here, that I don't like this area. So what I'm going to do, I will press Ctrl and Shift again, clip curve, still selected, and let's clip it from here, press Alt. Okay. Alright, yeah, thank brush. And let me try this one. Maybe it won't look good. It won't look good, so let's keep it. I will fix it later. Anyway, now let's make the front piece. Choose your click. You have several ways to do it. One of those, let me show you a different method. So, making a different method. So, your ZModeler. Okay, and click, press Alt. Okay, and let's go back to the segment and tell it to do nothing again. Okay, hover over the polygon. Okay, press Alt and choose the faces you want to extract. Now we have to select all the faces. So feel free to release all of your work. Or no, we don't have to extract the down faces. Just select everything. But before you release from your mouse from the last face, okay, just release your left index finger, okay, and it will give it a different poly group. Now press Ctrl and Shift, okay, and split it in. Go split it in. Alrighty. Ouch. I'm sorry, going aside. I should duplicate first. So don't be idiots like me. Ctrl Z. That is scary. Ctrl Z. Alright, thank you. Let's go back here. Delete this one. Okay, and let's duplicate this one. Duplicate. Now we have a backup. Subtool. Okay. Click on it. Go back to your tool. Hide this one. Split it in. Split it in. Now we don't need this piece anymore. Delete it. Okay. Now we have this piece. Okay. Now what we have to do is adjust it and remesh it. So space. Change your draw size and adjust everything. Okay. Go to your zero measure because I don't want this polygon here. I don't like it. So zero measure and remesh. Oh, much better. All right. We can make it lower. Let's make it lower. Zero measure double half and turn off adapt. Zero measure again. Alright. So it's always easier to work with a lower poly count in zero measure. So what do we want to do right now? We want to extrude it to give it the thickness. Alright, so first go to your ZModeler. Do I have to tell you again how to go to your ZModeler? Click on brush. ZModeler here, right at the corner, the left bottom corner. Okay. And hover over the polygon, press space, then again extrude, polygroup all. And let's extrude it. Alright, so this thickness is enough. Go back to your move tool and return everything to their correct place. Alright, so that's it for the front part. Let's crease edges. Hover over. Go back to your ZModeler. Hover over the segment. Okay, press the space and let's tell it to bevel. And now it's beveled. Crispy. Looks nice and smooth. Alright, so let's go back to our boot. And let's extract a different piece. Alright. So let me go and take a break and I will come back in no time. Now, let's continue extracting the heel piece by choose your poly group and let's use the same methods. Or click on the slice curve like this. But before we do that, let's duplicate. Hide the original piece. Okay. Slice curve. Alright. No problem at all. And split it in. And delete this one. We don't need it anymore. Okay, go back to your ZModeler. And delete this face. Alright. Now let's remesh it. Let's turn off that half and remesh again. One more time. No, that's ugly. Alright, that's enough. Alright. Now, go to your move brush. Adjust the shape. A little bit. Alright. Before I extrude, what I like to do, I want to give it some edge. So press the space and find frame mesh. Alright, so now it will give you a frame around the mesh. Okay, you can find it under Z plugin. Or no, stroke. Okay, frame mesh here. Okay, then go to your insert tool brush. Let's choose this one, curve. And let's choose some curve from here. Strap. You know, this one looks fine. No, it doesn't. Okay, so before we do that, let me clean those back faces from here. Solo. ZModeler and delete those faces. brush, turn off solo. Alright, now go back to your frame. Mesh. Okay, now go to your curve tool, or curve brush. Let's make the draw size smaller. And smaller.
everything's merged together. Let's fix it a little bit in areas like this. So go ahead to press B, move topology, okay, and let's move this topology and make it look better. Alright, so this is the move topology tool, very handy. Alrighty, and if we went ahead, there's no smooth topology in ZBrush. We need alright, this one here. No, I made it look worse. Okay, let's go ahead and go to Z plugin, subtool master, and mirror. So x-axis mirror, and now we have a pair of shoes. Right, so this is the shoes. Thank you very much for watching. In the next tutorial I will make the gloves. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again next week or tomorrow. I have no idea. Alright guys, see ya. Bye bye.